Most of the work done in the history work group is about the history of democracy, of democratic ideas and practices, crises of democracy, processes of democratization and de-democratization. This one is different. Here we ask questions about democracy in history. Where is democracy in history as an academic field, as a form of disciplinary knowledge, as a cognitive area of knowledge, in its practices as historians cultivate their field? Are they democratic? Where is inclusion and exclusion in the pursuit of history in terms of the choice of subject matter, in terms of the agents that are accorded relevant agency in history, in terms of access to information and institutional leverage in the historical profession, in terms of the communication of historians with their audiences, in terms of the range of subjects who are acknowledged as capable of pronouncing relevant judgments about historical topics. So where is democracy in history in all of these senses? It's a kind of self-reflexive activity which we invite participants in the series to engage in. The format is a series of conversations with historians about their empirical research in the hope and with the aim of finding some answers to these larger meta-level questions about history. It is also related to some extent to a program in the history department which is called History in the Public Sphere. In fact, we are aiming to provide some kind of theory of history in the public sphere or public history. And in many ways, this is also an attempt to connect what we do with students, with graduate students in the history department, to the activities of the Democracy Institute.